Love the taste of cafe quality espresso at home, but not sure which machine is worth your money? You're in the right place. Please make sure you watch this full video to know which espresso machine ranks number 1 and why it delivers the best overall value. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best espresso machines in 2025. Let's get started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 10. Philips 2200 Series. The Philips 2200 series is a fully automatic espresso maker designed for convenience and consistency. Product highlights: integral ceramic grinder, classic milk frother, intuitive touch display, makes espresso and coffee varieties, AquaClean filtration for low maintenance. Customer reaction: buyers love its automated brewing process and smooth low-acid espresso flavor. Highly rated for beginners. Pros: fully automatic convenience, excellent ceramic grinder durability, simple interface, low maintenance needs. Perfect for first-time espresso machine owners who want reliable performance without complicated steps. Number 9. Dedica. A slim stainless steel espresso maker designed for small kitchens with big flavor expectations. Product highlights: 15-bar pump, manual milk frother, adjustable tray for tall cups, fast heating, classic Italian design. Customer reaction: users praise its compact size and cafe-quality espresso shots. Many love the manual frothing control. Pros: space-saving footprint, excellent espresso extraction, great for lattes and cappuccinos. Stylish stainless steel build, perfect for small apartments and coffee lovers who want barista-style control. Number 8. Nespresso Creatista Plus. A premium pod-based espresso system with true cafe-style milk texturing. Product highlights: automatic steam wand, 3 milk temperatures and 8 texture levels, fast 3-second heat up, stainless steel design, Nespresso convenience with Breville quality. Customer reaction: customers love the silky microfoam and consistency of flavor. Looks and feels high-end. Pros: best milk frothing in the pod category, very fast heating, elegant build quality, no learning curve. Perfect for users who want espresso quickly without grinding or tamping. Number 7. Gevi Commercial Style. A professional-grade stainless steel machine built for strong extraction and serious espresso lovers. Product highlights: 20-bar pressure system, commercial-style steam wand, compact but powerful, fast thermoblock heating, stainless steel exterior. Customer reaction: reviewers appreciate its rich crema and strong steam pressure for latte art. Pros: great value for performance, cafe-like steamed milk, durable stainless steel build, consistent extractions. Perfect for home baristas who want commercial-level power on a budget. Number 6. Breville Bambino. The Bambino focuses on speed, quality, and Breville's trusted espresso technology. Product highlights: 3-second heat up, precise temperature control, automatic microfoam texturing, compact stainless design, low pressure pre-infusion. Customer reaction: users love its speed and the rich balanced flavor it produces. It feels premium for its size. Pros: ultra-fast startup, consistent cafe-quality shots, great for beginner to intermediate users. Small but powerful. Perfect for busy users who want high-end espresso without wait times. Number 5. Dedica Duo. A versatile espresso maker offering hot and cold brewing options with a modern aesthetic. Product highlights: hot and cold brew capabilities, milk frother wand, compact design, adjustable controls, ideal for iced drinks. Customer reaction: buyers appreciate the cold brew function and flexibility for different drink styles. Pros: versatile brewing options, smooth iced coffee performance, compact and stylish, easy to operate. Perfect for users who enjoy both traditional espresso and chilled specialty coffees. Number 4. Dedica Classic. A proven, long-time favorite with reliable extraction and sturdy build quality. Product highlights: 15-bar pump system, manual steam wand, temperature control, classic Italian espresso design. Included barista kit. Customer reaction: Many love its long-lasting durability and the consistent flavor it produces year after year. Pros: classic espresso flavor profile, reliable performance, good steam pressure, solid temperature control. Perfect for traditional espresso enthusiasts who want a timeless machine. Number 3. Espresso machine. A compact but high-pressure machine known for its strong extraction at a budget-friendly price. Product highlights: 20-bar pump, stainless steel body, automatic controls, built-in milk frother, compact design. Customer reaction: reviewers highlight its surprising power and the creamy texture it produces in lattes and cappuccinos. Pros: very affordable for the performance, strong crema, lightweight and compact, great gift item. Perfect for entry-level users wanting strong espresso without overspending. Number 2. Delani, all-in-one. A hybrid machine that brews both espresso and drip coffee, making it one of the most versatile options on the list. Product highlights: espresso plus drip coffee, advanced adjustable frother, 10-cup glass pot included, dual heating system, makes all espresso drinks. Customer reaction: buyers love having two machines in one and praise its cappuccino frother for its creaminess. Pros: best multifunction option, great for families, strong steam wand, ideal for both espresso and drip lovers. Perfect for households where everyone prefers a different type of coffee. Number 1. Ninja Luxe Café 3-in-1. Taking the number 1 spot is the Ninja Luxe Café, a true all-in-one system that handles espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew with built-in tools for a complete barista experience. Product highlights: integrated coffee grinder, 3-in-1 brewing system, stainless steel finish, milk frother, assisted tamper, built-in accessory storage. Customer reaction: users love its high versatility and the convenience of having a grinder, tamper, and frother all integrated. It's the most complete home coffee station for the price. Pros: best all-around espresso experience, grinder included, excellent for hot and cold drinks, premium build-in features. Perfect for anyone wanting an all-in-one machine that can replace a full coffee bar. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. After comparing all 10 machines, the Ninja Luxe Café 3-in-1 clearly stands out as the best overall espresso machine for 2025. It offers unmatched versatility, integrated tools, great extraction quality, and excellent long-term value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next review on the latest gadgets and smart tech for your home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.